Every basically giant building you see, someone had to weld something on it. There's stick welding, which is probably the most used out in the field. Then we did TIG welding, and then MIG and flux core welding.
It's just real good to take a wire brush or a wire weld to it before you start welding again. So I'm just pointing my rod slightly uphill, trying to keep a really tight arc.
And there's a whole lot more to this field than just burning a rod. You can get a few years of experience and then be an inspector, or you can go back to school and be an engineer. And just, there's so much more you can do in this field than just weld.